What screams I make terrible financial decisions? I work in a factory. A lot of people make less than $15 per hour. As of January 3, 2021, starting pay is $19 per hour on second and third shift. They have money for expensive coffee. You recognize the cups. They buy sodas from the vending machines every day. 2 or 3 a day. They wear expensive sports team gear, tattoos, hair and nails, etc. They are often late to work or miss at least 1 day a week. Sometimes they leave mid-shift. They hit the bars after shifts on Fridays. They talk about hitting the casino on the weekend. They spent all their money at Panama City Beach, Florida. One man needed a GoFundMe page to get enough gas to get home. And they need someone to spot them $20 until payday for gas or food from the cafeteria. Can they bum a cigarette at break? It's too bad because they lose $120 for each day they miss. 8x $15 equals $120. The company also gives you an extra $50 bonus if you come to work every day for the week, ends October 4th. So if they miss 1 day of work, they've left $170 on the table that they could have earned. Edit. The bonus pay for a